Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody nice. Today I'm making an oven baked one pot chicken and rice dish. So here I'm adding 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, or you can use the regular paprika if that's what you have. And then next I'm going to add 2 teaspoons Chinese 5 spice. Now for the Chinese 5 spice, guys, do not worry about it. I mean, if you can get it, then sure, use it. But if not, just use your regular chicken seasoning. You know, I am all about improvising. We got to do what we got to do because we got to eat. So that is 2 teaspoons of the Chinese 5 spice. And then next we're going to add 1.5 tablespoon chicken seasoning or all-purpose seasoning, right? And 2 teaspoon black pepper and 1 teaspoon dried oregano and 1 teaspoon salt, and mix, combine the dine, get everything together and get it all right. Make sure you mix it out well, and then after that we're gonna get to the extra nice-ish part. Not really. So here I have 6 chicken thighs. You guys can use 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Any amount. Yes. By the way, I love chicken thighs. It's my favorite part of the chicken. I love a leg and thigh. So yeah, add the seasoning, well, some of it, and rub it in, moisturize it, massage it in, and then add some more, right? You don't want to just throw a highlight pan the chicken and then, no, I think you can get it all the way together easier if you just take your little time, add a dash here, rub it in, add another dash there, rub it in, right? And then wherever you see need some more dashables, then you add some more dashables, right? So I think that's what's gonna take place right here. Is it? It not really looks so, but I think the next piece maybe need some more. Yes, that needs some more dashable. Dash on, my girl, dash on. So dash chili on and massage, right? And when you get it all together and nice and everybody look right, see that need more dashing, so dash, okay? And I'm all for dashing, guys. Make sure you season the chicken proper. By the way, this was the day before I actually made this dish, right? So you know it marinate till it can't marinate no more. Season down to the bone. Everybody get knock off because it was that good that season. So yeah, Vibes fam, now I'm all done, and here it is, all done. Throw some cling film or dash it into a bag, and that's it. So yeah, Vibes fam, here are the rest of my ingredients that I will be using for this fantabulous dish. Very easy to do, very easy. Me love a one pot meal, absolutely love it. So you need your skillet or your little frying pan, whatever you're gonna use, skillet, because you need it to be able to go into the oven. So right? Add 3 tablespoons coconut oil, so yeah, Vibes fam, I added my well-seasoned chicken thighs, and we're just going to leave them, and I added them face down first. So leave them about 4 minutes on each side, right, on medium heat. You don't want the fire to be too hot because you need them to be just a little bit brown, right? Give them a little color. So now that both sides are brown to my liking, I'm going to take them out and set them aside, and then I'm going to pour off the excess oil that's in the pot, right? And then we're gonna work on the other part to this recipe. So here I'm adding 1 large onion, right? And we're going to saute it until it's translucent or close to, right? We just want to give it a little something something before we add the other something somethings, right? So that's what's gonna go down right here. So yeah, it look like it almost dead, almost dead, and now we're going to add 1 tablespoon minced onion and 1 tablespoon minced garlic. Vibes fam, you need it. Listen, you guys trust me, I'm telling you, you need it, okay? Don't leave out the ginger. Don't leave it out. All right, okay? So saute this again for about another 2 minutes or so, and now we're adding 1 green and red sweet pepper, or bell pepper if you want to call it that, right? Saute, rub, press around, turn around. Do what you got to do. So here I'm adding 2 tablespoons tomato paste, or you can use fresh tomato if you want, right? You can use about 2 fresh tomato if you want. So when I put the tomato paste in and I get it everywhere, then I'm going to leave it for a bit, just for about 5 minutes, to let the tomato paste get a little cook on it, right? So try to get it everywhere. Leave it for 5 minutes. And this is it after 5 minutes. So here I'm adding 1 green chili, or you can add scotch bonnet if you have it. And I'm also adding 2 teaspoons dried oregano and 2 teaspoons dried thyme. And then I'm going to mix that up and leave that for 10 minutes. So here it is after 10 minutes. Just give it a stir and a stir. And now I'm adding some chili flakes. So if you did add scotch bonnet pepper, don't add the chili flakes, because that's going to be extra hot, right? So here now I'm adding 2 cups of washed rice. Please wash your rice properly and remove the starch, right? So yes, I'm adding 2 cups of washed rice. And give that a stir. Still on medium heat. All of this is still on medium heat, right? Don't turn up the fire too high. You don't want your stuff to burn. You've come this far by faith. Yes, leaning on the Lord. You don't need to be left behind right now, right? So still leave it on medium heat, so it doesn't burn. And when you're finished combining everything, for the rice right here, when you get, all the ingredients well incorporated, then we're going to leave this just for about 2 minutes, or you can just stir for the 2 minutes, right? But I left mine, I incorporated everything together and then just leave it for a little bit, leave it for 2 minutes, and then yeah, that was it. So see, it is coming together. Okay, so this is after 2 minutes now, and I'm back. I'm giving it a stir, another stir. Yes, enough stirring and stirring is taking place, but I'm telling you guys, it is worth it. By the way, please preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. So here I'm adding 600 ml of chicken broth. Yes, you need that nice flavored chicken broth to get this thing together. So give it another stir, because you want to evenly distribute the broth, right? Because we're going to be putting this in the oven. So you want to get the liquid everywhere. Make sure every rice grain get in touch. Get all the rice grain down in the pot. Smooth it down, right? And then now we're gonna add our lovely little chickens. Hey chickies, chick. Add the little chickens. Yes, add them. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7. I wanna deal with 666. Fire. But anyway, yes, so gather that together, and then we're just taking a little bit of the oil and putting it directly on the chicken, and then we're going to put this in the oven, cover it, right, and put it in the oven for 40 minutes. Well, 35 minutes first, right? 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And here it is after 35 minutes. Look at it, Vibes fam. Look at it. So good. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to brush the chicken now with a little bit more of the oil that I use. By the way, I didn't say that. The oil, remember the oil that I threw off? When I finish fry the chicken, that's what I'm using, right? Well flavor and nice. So I'm going to use that to brush the chicken a little more because we want to make sure that our chicken stay moist and nice. So this, so yeah, 35 minutes. Take him out, brush him with a little bit of the oil there, just on the chicken, and then we're going to put it back, whether you put it in the oven or turn on your broiler and put it for the next 5 minutes. Now, if you broil it, if you put it in the broiler, then you know it's going to get it a little bit more dark, right? So whether the broiler or put it back in the oven, either one will do. And here we have it, Vibes fam. Here we have it. Ray. Unu run, come. Anna. Vibes fam, listen, unu come here. Come right here. So this is one more of them. You have to go, listen, Saggle up, Auntie Pringles, I get called today. You're calling her today. Today, yes. Me go school, me have one in English. Vibes Sam, listen. Go and get Auntie Pringles on the phone. I'm telling you, you can't miss the opportunity to taste this dish. You absolutely cannot. I'm telling you, as long as you season your meat good and you get a proper nice chicken broth, what are you talking about? Saute those vegetables just right. Add your ginger, as I told you. What? I'm telling you, Vibes, some flavor does a kick on. You think of Bruce Lee ketchup on the street side and a salt out your taste buds. What? Vibes, Sam, you have to try it. Go and go punch it Auntie Pringles number right now because, and as a matter of fact, click share and send it to her. But listen, let's get down to business. Listen, I'm gonna get my big spoon and come show you. Oh, steam. Come true. Yes, tell me now. Say Shelly rice look good. Shelly, by the way, I didn't say I used basmati rice. Me love basmati rice, but use whatever rice you want use because it's fine. Yes, it is fine. But I go for a fork because I really want to show you, Yes, take a fork full. Show them what go on. Come true. Yeah. Steam. Yes. Vibes Sam, it ready for every light, for every taste buds. Yes, for every gathering. It ready. It is already. So good. Please try it. And if you do, comment. Yes, I'll take a spoon. Thank you so much. So delicious. Oh, yes, another. I'll take it. Oh, that's a fork. I'll take another fork. Oh, thank you so much. You're so kind. Oh, a third one. You're so kind. Thank you. I want all of it. A chicken. A piece of. Yes, my love Thai. Give me. Yes. But Vibes Sam, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Vibes Sam, please go and follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. God bless you guys and subscribe, please, and hit the notification bell.